Alright, so footwork. So base of footwork, feet are out. You're just basically from the side. It looks like this. The main and the base footwork step is called a six step. Um, Six step is the base. Is the base of all of it. If you're learning breakdancing or anything that's in that form or power moves or footwork, six step is the first thing to know. And once you learn six step, then they'll teach you a bit more about the rest of the steps. So the first thing for six step is you're basically feet are hip width apart, just like if you would do a plank, but your plank is closed, feet are hip width apart. You're using your left leg to cross in between the right hand and the right foot. Once it crosses in, the back the back leg comes in, and you're bending the side knee. Once it bends, so you're like this position, you bring the crossed knee up to the front. Once you bring it to the front, the right leg sweeps over to cross over the left leg. The left leg goes back, and then you come back to position one. So how you start it. So 1, 2, 3, sweep, step, out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shift with your weight. One arm. 2, switch over, cross in front, back, out. And that is your six step.